Oh, this is his new Audi with this clapped out hood that we're gonna fix, or he's gonna fix. I'm just watching. You can see it's already starting to come to life. So hopefully after all said and done, this hood will be like a fresh carbon. You already know, we got the intercooler. This car's got some goodies under the hood. A little 4-door. Got some racing seats in it, some harnesses. And you guys should already know, by gauge pods, this car got something done to it. Oh, we'll keep going. We'll keep going. Oh! Insert Fast and the Furious noises. This man got a whole race car. Let's go to the other side and get that video better. Lowered on some springs, I believe. Nice little exhaust. Roof spoiler. Oh, bro, it's got a carbon roof wing, but this thing is shot. I don't think that's savable, dog. It's a new tint, some bubbly tint. But yeah, look at that. Oh, boy! I'd say we'll pop the hood, but he's working on it. So once he's done working on it, we'll pop it. But in the meantime, you're gonna get cinematics while I also try to attack that. This man's harnesses, bro. Alan, show him. Oh, our lives are hooked up to the back passengers. Oh, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. Hey, should I have the reaction of us first? Yeah, probably.
I got no seatbelts back here, brother.
I ain't got. Yeah, we got your seatbelts.
Snatch.
Yeah, snatch.
Give me back.
Live reaction.
Yeah, I broke that earlier.
Yeah, my dude did a pull and his fucking gauge cluster came off. Around against a little chrome piece. Detached it.
Tech did the pool at Sac Raceway and his radio fell out.
Oh, that was Jonathan.
Robert, do me a favor.
What? I have to hold that?
Yeah.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh, bro. We're gonna die. Dang, it's pretty quick with no nitrous. And about to say, and we have 4 people. You like that? You want to be in the vlog? Got you, bro. Not too shabby. No! Can you just hold on the radio in place? Hey, yo. Carbon fibre.
Can't fucking see at this time.
Why are you trying to hide? Sheesh! I didn't know that thing lit up. Do you actually have nitrous?
No, I don't have a bottle of it. I was gonna say, bro.
Yeah, if the bottle's hooked up, that'd be a different story. Here we go.
Oh, do me a favor and hold that.
Clap with 5 heads in the car, bro. What's up? I'd be like,
fucking hilarious.
I'd fucking take my shit home and post that shit for a sale. Like, yeah, bro, I'm done. Car scene over.
Yeah, never mind.
I got whipped by an Audi hatch, bro, with 5 heads.
Dude, that'd be fucking hilarious.
I get out of the car, leave the keys, and walk home. You can keep the car.
You can have the fucking car, bro.
Do it. Do it.
The man's on camera.
Get it.
I really thought.
Run it. He's like, damn.
Oh, damn. Ready? Oh!